Welcome to this walkthrough of the Volatility Shield MTG EA, a fully automated trading robot designed to thrive in highly volatile markets using a dynamic martingale strategy, all built using FXdreema without writing a single line of code. This EA, available from MQL Robot EAS, focuses on detecting volatility breakouts and price imbalance using envelope bands, MACD conditions, ATR-based martingale logic for scaling trades in trending or whipsaw environments. Let's explore the logic behind this strategy. Trade entry logic. The EA looks for price to break out beyond the envelope boundaries while confirming the signal with MACD momentum. It opens a buy or sell trade only once per bar, ensuring cleaner entries during strong moves. Martingale scaling. If the market continues in the opposite direction, the EA applies a smart martingale system. It waits for price to move a certain number of pips from the last order, confirms volatility using ATR thresholds, helping avoid scaling during flat or quiet markets. Then adds another position with a defined lot multiplier and updated targets. Profit and exit management. The EA checks for unrealized profits across all trades and closes them based on profit percentage targets, predefined order-based thresholds, or if a cut-loss percentage is hit across the account or trade group. Customizable inputs. You can tune values like envelope period and deviation, MACD parameters, fast, slow, and signal, martingale distance and multiplier, ATR period and limit, profit and risk control thresholds. Important note: before using this EA in live trading, it is strongly recommended that you understand the strategy logic, the martingale risk profile, and perform 99.9% tick data backtesting. Markets behave differently during news events, low liquidity, or spreads, so proper forward testing and optimization are essential. This EA is part of the Build a Forex EA Robot, no code, FXdreema playlist on the MQL Robot EAS YouTube channel. If you're passionate about learning to build your own bots without coding, be sure to subscribe for more guides and walkthroughs. Download this EA and learn more at nqlrobot.com. Thanks for watching, and let's keep building smarter, safer trading robots one block at a time.